You probably had many conversations with VMC customers or other customers that are interested in this solution, or maybe you actually have some customers already using it. So what kind of use cases do these customers have for this solution?
Yeah, so what we've experienced so far is that, and even before launching, right, we did a lot of customer validation. We've talked to a lot of VMC and AWS customers, and we sort of uncovered these use cases and the demand for this service, which sort of fed into the justification for launching the service. And primarily those use cases revolved around what I like to call the 80/20 rule. So 20% of the workloads that customers typically run are sort of what we call, the tier zero, or your, mission critical, business critical applications that require the highest level of performance in terms of IOPS, in terms of throughput and latency. But whereas the rest of the 80% of workloads that customers run can be what we call general purpose, or tier one, tier two workloads. And those can be anything from virtualized file servers to data warehouse or analytical applications that require some data backend, or even any type of scale out or data intensive application that may not need the tier zero levels of performance. So these are the type of use cases that we're initially targeting for Flex Storage. In the initial stages is this 80%, and it does encompass quite a number of workloads. As I mentioned, I listed off a few there, and it's really no different than what we've seen on-prem as well, right? On-prem, there are various tiers of storage based on performance, and customers certainly need to run these other type of applications. So that's sort of the initial use cases that we've been discovering, and what Flex Storage is ideal for. Now, beyond that, we are looking at expanding Flex Storage to actually encompass all workloads, including that 20%. But so look for us to sort of build out the solution and go along that journey where we increase performance and we're able to satisfy the requirements of those applications as well.